Miss Kimberly, what up, though? It's your fellow classmate Corey. Yeah, so off rip, looking at your website, it's pretty decent, pretty decent. I like the layout of it. I was looks professional to me. Not just saying that does. About me from Engage. Okay, so this is the about page. Okay, yeah. I like how like soon as it comes on that Wilson production, that effect, that was real cool. Like I should have did something like that with my website. But like you took your time with doing this. It's professional. Let's see the hyperlinks. Said portfolio. Okay, yeah. So also with the effects, you got the videos playing. So what? So you can just click on it. Oh, okay. That's sweet. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I really like the layout that you have of this. And you do flyers as well. So you got it as cinematographer. All right, so yeah, so what is this? Is this a hyperlink to something, or because it seems like you can click it, but it's not. Take you anywhere. I don't know what that's about, but contact. Okay. All right, but yeah, this is good. Like I like the layout. Like I said, it looks very professional. Um, any suggestions? Only suggestions I for real. Um, maybe want to take and consider. I would just maybe line these videos up a little better. It's like you got like a whole bunch of space over here, but that's just me. I just probably would have just aligned the videos and even with the flyers too. I probably just would have aligned them just a tad bit better. But I mean, it's nothing to me though. Overall, like it's a it's a decent website. Like I don't see too many flaws stuff for just the alignment of the flyers and the videos. Like all the hyperlinks working. I don't know if this was meant to be a hyperlink or what, but other than that, like I don't have no um nothing else too much to say about it. Like it's good. Like you got a lot going on with it. I really, ooh, I didn't even realize that either. That the flyers when you come down that came across the screen as well too. Yeah, dang, I wish I could have did that effect with mine. So I might have to go back and steal this idea from you. Or that effect, yeah, I might have to jock you for that one. But yeah, overall, like I said, this website looks good. I'm just looking at this flyer. Say on Kelly Road. So, if you, I don't know if you're from the east side or not, but yeah, I'm from the east side though. Detroit has got to show love. But yeah, but good job, Miss Kimberly.